How to change emergency contact on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Health application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile. Then, go to Medical ID. On this page, scroll down to Emergency Contacts and tap on Edit beside it. You can view all your emergency contacts over here. If you want to remove any contact from here, then hold the contact and swipe left. And then, tap on the Delete button beside the contact. Then, tap on Add Emergency Contact below if you want to add another contact. And then, select the contact you want to add from here. After that, tap on Done. Following these steps, you can easily change emergency contact on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.